Hi everyone, this is Jonah Anderson, and I'm here today again to record this video log, just for updates about things. I had a good year end in 2021. I took the last week of the year to take a break and be off work, so it was good to recharge by the end of the year as a treat for myself that works too hard. And I also had good holidays and started the year with a lot of positivity and motivations for the great things that's gonna happen for this year. So today actually is a Monday, so it's my first day of work back again. But I started working right after the New Year holidays. So I've been pretty busy with a lot of things to do and a lot of things on the side as well. But I'm managing and coping it up pretty well. So it's good to have that balance and finding time to yourself and for the things that you like doing in between your job or your task. So it's one of the advice that I have for all of you that are cope up with business in our remote working. So I have been working from home for over a year now, and it's almost 2 years, and I'm getting used to it. So it's we make most of the situation that we have remote working and collaboration online, so it's doing pretty well. And I wanted to inform you as well that recently I have been publicly announced as one of the jury members of the Good Tech Hackathon that is happening next month in February. And Good Tech Hack is an hackathon event that's been going on in Sundsvall, Sweden, or mid-north of Sweden, for the past few years, and it will be my first time to be part of the jury members to assist and assess, yeah, the hackathon. And I'm really excited about it because it's a hackathon. Usually it's in person, but for the past years it's been digital. But it's a hackathon where all the students from Mid Sweden University, for example, and companies from private and non private and public sectors create their groups to create ideas and solve some society challenges that we have today. And it will be interesting to be part of the jury and listen to the great ideas that the groups are gonna have this year. So it will be a great experience as well for me to be a jury and help with the technical side of it. And also, so yes, last week I had a long week, but I was glad that I had the weekend to catch up with other things. So I was taking time off to take it easy, relax, and also I spent some time catching up with my book. And I look forward for the upcoming early release of my book with Rayleigh that I've been working hard during my free time and on weekends. So watch out for the upcoming early release announcement of my book for at least the first two chapters that are written as draft so far. So if you have any input, feedback to make the book better or something that I missed, then you can definitely leave that actually when it's out for early release. And also, last Saturday we had our first session of Azure User Group Sweden with my friend and co-leader Håkan in Norway. We hosted our first session in Azure User Group Sweden, and it was with our guest speaker Rabbi Hamida, who is actually from Quebec, Canada, who woke up early in the morning to join us in our session Saturday lunchtime. So I thank you, Hamida, Rabbi, for your time and sharing your knowledge about how we can containerize microservices with Azure Service Fabric. And also thank you to those that watched us and joined us with the discussion, question, Q&A, and live interaction with us last Saturday. So I did share the recorded on-demand link because the session was recorded as usual. And if you missed it, you may watch it through the link that I posted on my LinkedIn or even my Twitter. Otherwise, we have a new session upcoming on the 5th of February. That's in 2 weeks. It's Saturday, February the 5th at 12 noon, where we will have Robert Strand share about how you can get started with Terraform in Azure, with Azure. So I myself is interested to learn more about infrastructure as code, Terraform, and most of all, my favorite cloud platform, Azure. And I look forward to learn from Robert from our next session. So if you're also like me who wants to learn more about Terraform, feel free to check out the meetup link that I will be sharing on my profiles. And yes, and also I have after work tomorrow, Tuesday in the evening, I will be speaking at Corknet and Azure User Group in Ireland, and I will be sharing a non-technical session, which is pretty unusual, but it's also good because I like speaking from the heart. And that session tomorrow that I will be speaking is about my tech story, the importance of mentorship in tech, and also my passion for tech communities. So watch out for that session tomorrow if you could join us live. I believe it will be recorded also, we will see. But I plan to share all the heart, from the heart speaking, and also sharing the tech communities that I get inspiration from, and also the community leaders. So watch out for that. And yes, so a lot of things is already going on just for the beginning of the year, and I look forward actually that it will be spring and summer soon, so I can start my like seed plantings and gardening. Currently, we are in winter season in Sweden, so for the past day it's been pretty icy outdoors to go when you get kind of like slide. It's not so fun to be outside when it's too cold, but I really like spring and summer. So I look forward that it's happening in a month or so. It's like the spring gives us a lot of hope that we can be out more often, especially I have a garden, so I look forward to plan my gardening this coming summer, because in Sweden summer is very short. We only have it in I think it starts to get a bit warm in May, and then it's pretty good in June, warmest in July and August, and then when it comes September, it will be cold again, like that's already the autumn. And September is my month, so usually on my birthdays, it's kind of like nice autumn weather. It's pretty picturesque. as long as it doesn't, as long as the autumn leaves doesn't get blown away by the windy weather. But I am pretty positive that for the new seasons to come, and so winter is not so bad as well. I just don't like the cold and slippery, slippery pavement outdoors when I walk with my dog, for example. But glad we could be out in the garden and take some pictures, which is one of the interests that I have. And yes, so thank you for watching my vlog for today, and we will see when it will be the next time. So check it out, and thank you for all your support, and have a great week ahead of you. Bye bye.